Hello, it's Brandy Davison here. I am a sparkler, aka design team member with Spiegelmom Scraps, and I'm super excited to walk you through the October collection of sequin mixes that have hit the shop. These were available for pre-order and are now available for regular order. They're going fast, so which you won't be surprised at once I walk you through them. So I will include a link below so you can jump on and grab the sequin mix or mixes that you want to add to your stash. So here we go. So again, this is the October pre-order and October new sequin mixes. So up first is this sequin mix called Daydreamer, and this one is probably the most different one that I've seen in over all the sequin mixes that have been sent to me, just purely by the number of different shapes that are in there. And it has these square guys, which you don't see in a lot of the sequin mixes. This is something you're starting to see in there, which I'm super excited about. We've got hearts, there's flowers in there, there's a kind of your regular small sequins, big sequins, there's these little swirly do ones. It's just a really good mix that I'm super excited. I've got some cocoa vanilla collections that I think this is going to go really, really well with. And again, that is Daydreamer, and daydreaming incubates creative discovery. So that's a little quote on the back. Very cool. Also included this month is the set called Whiteout. And so this is really looking a bit like a Christmas theme perspective. It's got the snowflakes in there, the big sequins, as well as sort of your regular flat and sort of normal sequins, if you will. I think though, if you were to just kind of go through it and even use those snowflakes for something different, I think, oh, and there's flowers in there too, who knew? This would be really good for sort of anything winter, but I also think just from a white perspective, it could be used in any way or mixed in with any of these other collections to kind of bring a bit of pop if you're using, say, white background paper, white cut file outline, that kind of thing. So very cool. And that one's called Whiteout, and you are your only limit. This next one here is called Minty Meadow. I love that title. And this one has sort of that peaches, a bit of that gold yellow, teal, and the brown, really truly appropriately named. And you can see there's some of the bigger sequins in there, as well as these flat ones and the smaller ones that are sort of considered your standard sequin. So I think that one's really, really fun. I'm excited to play with that one. Oh, and let's see what she has to say. Be the magic. Very cool. This next one here is called Red Rapture. I love this one. So this is all kinds of red. Let's just spread that out a little. You can see there's the super sort of holographic-y ones, small, big, they're super flat. The regular sequins in darker, as well as these really great, see if I can get one to the top here. They've got kind of polka dots on them, and then there's these big sort of firecracker ones in there that are just, I gotta open this up and show you. They're just awesome. Like, look at that. And look at the texture on there, so quite holographic and red. I'm really excited to play with this one. I've got a couple of ideas, so that should be good. Oh, a couple are free. We'll deal with that. Gotta love sequins. This is probably why I keep finding them on my dog and my pajamas and all that good stuff. Okay, and this one is No One Ever Discovered Anything New by Coloring Inside the Lines. Yes. And this one here, next, but is Black Magic. So again, it's got those square ones in them I'm totally in love with. I love these gold glitter ones. They actually sort of have a texture to them. They're so awesome. Black and then some regular flat gold ones, and you can see those square guys. And what is very cool is there's a few of these in here. I'll just pop one out here so you can see it. Is a sequin that I've not seen before in any other collection so far. It's this one here, which is a little bit like, I don't know, watercolory, snakeskinny sort of all colors type thing. So that one's really, really cool. So I'm super excited to get into this one. And the saying here is, do whatever brings you to life. Quite fabulous. So we'll see. I've got the one on the outside, so I'll be careful when I put it down. The last but not least is, you know, blue. So this absolutely has my heart. And this one is called True Blue. It's got the big ones. It's got some great squares. It's got those swirly deuce kind. The regular, sort of regular sequins, as well as these little guys. And what I love is that there's like the teal, the navy, but there's a bit of pop of purple in here, which I think actually makes that teal really, really stand out with the navy. So I think that one's going to be super fun to play with. I'm really excited. And that is the True Blue. Those are the 6 sequin mixes for this month, for October. They were available for pre-order. Now they're available for regular order. If you did a pre-order, those are already shipping, so hopefully they have arrived as happy mail to you. I'm excited to get playing with these. There will definitely be loads of inspiration using these up on the Spiegelmom Scraps, the Instagram, the YouTube channel, as well as my own at Brandy Davison and at Scrap Story. And so really excited to start playing, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful October.